In this video, you will learn step 1 of your action plan to start learning programming. Change your mindset before you start. First, don't get overloaded. I understand there are many programming languages out there which you as a beginner will be interested to learn at the same time. You just need to understand that each programming language takes a long time to learn and master it. Don't try to learn everything at the same time. I recommend that you take it slow, take it one programming language at a time. Contrary to what you believe, experienced programmers who are successful are expertise in a specific programming language. You as a beginner should try to focus on one particular language as per your situation and then try to become an expert at that. At least in the beginning stage, concentrate on one language and then try to expand over a period of time. It takes time to master one programming language. Knowing the language syntax and the basic programming constructs is one side, whereas understanding the complex concepts on that particular programming language is on the other side. If you try to combine everything at one go and want to learn everything in a shorter period of time, then you are going to miss something. So my recommended approach is you take one language and try to become an expertise at that. Don't try to rush in trying to complete more programming languages at the same time.